And starting for the Yankees against Robin Ventura's Chicago White Sox will be Adam Warren.
But that'll help. There's one. And there's two. A 4-6-3 double play. Exactly what Warren needed. Strike three. Holt down looking. 3-2. Strike three. Flowers down looking. Nice bounce back inning for Adam Warren. Up the middle. Grabbed by Refsnyder. Sets. Fires. Got him. If you looked at him from the All-Star break on, he was pretty darn good. And Warren's been pretty darn good. He retires the side for the third straight inning. He's retired the last 10 White Sox in a row. 2-2. Swing and a miss. Got him. So Flowers down on strikes for the second time this afternoon.
Yeah, good breaking ball. Watch this dip down and away.
Warren deals. Tied him up. Did he go? Yes, he did. Brian O'Nora punches out Abreu, and Warren gets out of trouble. Did he go? O'Nora said he did. Fly ball center field. Ellsbury makes the play, and a solid 6 innings for Adam Warren, throwing just 88 pitches, allowing just 1 run.